Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a new chapter that is human activities and environmental degradations. Okay. First we will discuss about some important points about environment. All the physical features which is surrounded by us is actually the nature's created, like you can say the plants, animals, landscapes, all the other features, each and everything is created by nature. Okay, so nature is defined as the natural earth and things on it essence of a present persons or things. So here, what is environment? The surrounding or the conditions in which a person or animals or a plant live or operate, that is the natural world as a whole or in a particular geographical areas specially affected by the human activities, that is known as environment. Okay, and remember one thing, the environment included natural resources like flora, fauna, water, soil, minerals, ecosystems. Okay, just like crop productions, energy supply, soil maintenance, etc. Okay, by this the resource and the service are being degraded, and mainly because of the increasing population's consumptions. Okay, and next one, human activities are of the different types. Some activities depends on the nature directly, some are depends on technology, and some are depends on you can say that service based. And in that basis, the economic activities divided into three types. One is primary economic activities, second one is secondary economic activities, third one is tertiary economic activities. Okay, first we will discuss about primary economic activities. Primary economic activities, sometimes man collect or gather things from nature and develop economic activities like collections of timber or firewood from forest, fish from river, lakes, etc., hunting of animals, collections of fruits, root, bark, etc., from the forest, mining of minerals, etc. These activities develop to meet the basic need of human beings. Such activities are called primary economic activities, as you see the picture. Okay, now next one is secondary economic activities and tertiary economic activities. Here, secondary economic activities, these activities involve the processing of raw materials into the more useful product. Example like turning timber into the furniture and turning iron ore into the steel. These activities are depends on technology, not directly on nature. So these type of activities are called secondary economic activities. Tertiary economic activities, these activities involve the provisions or the service and facilities. These service industries include the educations, health, service, transportations, financial service, banking, repair service, retail shop, etc. So different human activities affect the environment in different way. Okay, so these are the tertiary economic activities. Okay, now we will discuss about the evolutions of civilizations and effect on environment. The development of human civilizations had undergone transformation from the initial stage of a cave dweller to the modern stage. Right, from one by one, from the cave life to the in a hut, and now we are living in a dwellings. Okay, so these civilization, these changes are happening throughout this year. So progress of human being further started with the industrial revolutions. Okay, first there is a when we discover fire, after that there is a huge revolutions is there. After that, when the iron is discovered, that time that industrial revolutions is there. So one by one revolutions and the human being are being modernized there. So this industrial evolutions actually happened happened in England and Europe countries in 18th century. After that, with the industrial revolution, several industries were set up, roadway communications facilities were developed. Also, the advancement of medical facilities, science, technology are developed. So that's why rate of growth of populations also increased. For that reason, forests are cut, all the natural resources are destroyed. Okay. And all this led to the environmental degradations. Some damage in nature environment, however, could be repaired by the homeostatic mechanism process, by which nature itself repaired the damages or the loss in the affected by, areas. So these are the mainly the evolutions effect of the evolutions of civilizations on environment. Okay. Now we will discuss about the several causes that lead the environmental degradations. There are the so many causes that lead the environmental degradations, but mainly is the indiscriminate use of natural resources, many use of many huge type of use of this natural resources, and pollutions of air, water, soil by the various human activity, deforestations for the construction services, and use of modern household applications emitting greenhouse gases. For that reason, there is a global warming. For global warming, sea level rising, etc. These are happening. Okay, increasing number of vehicles causing the tremendous air pollutions through the release of the poisonous gas. Okay, and population's explosion day by day, the growth of population increasing. Okay, unplanned develop for the population explosion. There is a unplanned development of settlement in the urban areas or the various areas is there. Scientific experimentations, nuclear explosions, etc. is happening right now nowadays, and tourism's warfare and terrorism's warfare and the use of military weapon is also happening throughout the world. Okay, so these are the main causes for the environmental degradations. Here, environmental degradations and the environmental pollutions both are worsening or the degrading of the natural environmental quality, and it increase the environmental pollutions is considered the causes of the environmental degradations, or in the other word you can say the environmental degradations is the outcome or the effect of the environmental pollutions. As an example, you can say the emissions of harmful gas like CFC, methane, carbon dioxide. For this reason, the air pollution is happening. For air pollution, they are increasing the temperature. For temperature increasing, the global warming happening. For the global warming, the increasing the sea level or the global warming, the ice cap is melting. For ice cap melting, the sea level increasing. For that, all these are sign of decline the quality of the environment or in the environmental degradations. Okay, so you have to remember this all at the chain. If one thing is degrading, then all the natural phenomena will be degrading one by one. Okay, so now the environmental degradations occur into the two way. One is the natural way and another one is the man-made way. Natural way means the destructions of the ecosystems and the extinctions of the wildlife may be caused by the certain natural agents like the earthquake, volcanism, landslide, tsunami, flood. This will be happening, and in that time there is a huge level of destructions of the not only for the human being, it's also affect the plants, animals, etc. And human beings, natural as well as the man-made things also affected by the natural process. Okay, so these are the natural environmental degradations. Next, the man-made environmental degradations that is caused by the man-made way, which are the multifarious. The use of the chemical fertilizer, pesticides in agriculture, transport systems, deforestations, these are actually the main causes of decline in the environment. Okay, so now we will discussing one by one this man-made degradation process. Okay, here now main is modern agriculture method. due to the we need the huge amount of productions of in agriculture raw material, so that reasons we are applying chemicals, fertilizer, pesticides, and these are day by day that pesticides or the chemicals fertilizer that polluted the soil, and that soil again polluted the water, and for this reasons the aquatic life are affected, fish is also affected, and for this reason human who can use the water for river, pond, lakes for drinking and household purpose also get affected and suffer from various disease. Next, growth of urban settlement or the urbanization. For this reasons you can say that for this reason day by day the development urbanizations is there. So unscientifically and unplanned manner there is the settlement growing in urban areas, and for this reasons the many kind of pollutions like air pollutions and the emissions that is emission from the vehicles, smokes from the factories, water pollutions from domestic agriculture industry, biochemical industries, and even the radioactive water, soil, land, all are each and everything are polluted due to this urbanizations process. Okay, so these are also happening. Next one is the establishment of the power plant, and nowadays there is so many power plants established in our country. So power plant using coal, petroleum and natural gas, these all are the fossil fuels. When the fossil fuels is burning for the electricity, so that time they produce huge amount of smoke, dust and ashes. These are the main pollutant you can say agent, so that released by this power plant causes air, water, soil, land pollutions, and increasing of the carbon dioxide and the other greenhouse gases is the in the atmosphere is rising the temperature of the atmosphere, and that leading to the global warming, and that global warming affect the environment, and that's why the change in the climate we can see nowadays. Okay, next one is the constructions of dams and reservoir and the establishment of the several multi-purpose river valley project. So in that case irrigations for flood control, for hydropower generator, etc. also have the harmful effect on our environment, and the constructions of the work create the pressure on the underlying rock strata, so that's why the resulting in the damage to life and property. That's why when we doing against the nature, something we done against the nature, that time those earthquake is happening. Okay, that earthquake is actually called the man-made earthquake. Okay, so and the deforestations for this type of development, all of this happening, and these are the main reason for the environmental degradations, and all of these reasons are the man-made reasons. Okay, some well-known incident of environmental degradations are like Bhopal gas tragedy, Chernobyl nuclear disease, and Fukushima Dalchi reactor accident. The Bhopal gas tragedy happening on the 2nd and 3rd December 1984 in Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Here the gas leak from the Union Carbide Indian Limited storage tank, and about 3,787 people were dead. Over the 5 lakh people were exposed to methane, isonite gas and other poisonous gas and chemical from this pesticide factory. Next, number 2 is Chernobyl nuclear disease, the disaster that is happening on the 26th, happened in 26th April 1986 in Ukraine, and that described that the worst ever nuclear disaster. Here 131 people died from the radiation explosions. And next one is the Fukushima Dalchi reactor accident that is took place on 11th March 2011, and a major earthquake and its 15-meter tsunami disable the power supply. This is happening in this time in this accident, and over 1 million people had to be evacuated from their homes in order to ensure their safety. Okay.